everyone, welcome on our channel Belly Babes, where you get the new footwear design. So friends, today you are watching Doctor footwear collection, and some of these are in fancy stylish footwear as well as front open belly, ballerina pump shoes, sport shoes, side open, and court shoes also in this collection. So I hope you will be very happy and satisfied after watching this video. So keep watching this video till end so that you come to know about this whole collection, which is beautiful design with different type of style, different type of heel also in this collection, and flat footwears as you are watching in this collection. These footwears are fit for casual wear, formal wear, office wear, and for other special occasion as well as wedding party, and for other special occasion you can wear these footwears very easily. And friends, some of these are in decorate, and as you are watching rhinestone, beautiful color, and as you are watching rubber sole. So different beautiful style of slipper, sandal, and shoes in this collection. As you can see, colors of these footwears are very bright and also have beautiful contrast. One of very supportive type of collection for all those people who are in search of very comfortable and very stylish type of or easy to take on and out of shoes here in this collection. I tried my best to bring all those designs which are in fashion, which are a practical, comfortable and fit collection for all age group people. 40 and 50 plus women also can wear these footwear very easily, because these footwears are very lightweighted, so very comfortable at workplace too. But these you can use at anywhere, just I have told, casually, formally, officially, and also you can wear these footwears for other special occasion. So you are watching latest design of 2021 year, different style, different design, and different beautiful colors. So you can wear these footwears on any dress as you want: jeans, trouser, pant, palazzo, other dresses, shorts, skirts, and friends, sari and Punjabi suit. As you are watching half shoes in top pointed design, and friends, coat shoes, front open pump shoes in shaded color as you are watching. So I hope you are enjoying this beautiful collection of sandals, slipper, and shoes in same pattern design in different 2 or 3 color. These footwears are perfect for every season, summer season and winter season. As you are watching, high neck boot in net style, and the sport shoes also are decorate floral printed. Fastening running shoes also in this collection, which are best for morning walk and evening walk. So friends, I hope you are enjoying this beautiful collection of sandals, slipper, and shoes, because these footwears are very beautiful, comfortable, soft for the woman. So if you want to buy one of the pair out of this beautiful collection, so just go to the description box of this video, where you will find the link of that site from where you can order one of the pair yourself. And friends, please share this beautiful collection with your friends and family members. And if you are new here in my channel, so please subscribe Belly Babes and press the bell icon button for getting notification of best new uploads. So friends, every pair is most popular and different design, that definitely you will appreciate this. So friends, the comment section is also open for yourself, where you can drop your valuable comment regarding this collection, and if you want to ask something about it, you're most welcome to ask there. So these were the elegant collection of footwears for women. So I have tried my best to bring all those designs which are very beautiful and new updated collections for women. So thanks for watching this video, and we will meet in next video.